Hi friends, this is the I Old Monk, and today we are with a new Asus Zenfone 5. This is going to be launched in the MWC 2018, and the device looks pretty much similar. Don't get confused, it is not iPhone 10 or iPhone X. This is the Zenfone 5, which is a half, not a 10, it is a 5. Let's go deeper into the specs and we'll check it out. What are the specs in detail? Let's start. So Asus Zenfone 5, here we are going to do the unboxing of the device, what it comes. The highlight feature is the display definitely and the camera. So first going into the box, you will get the screen protector in that. This is not a retail unit, so definitely things will be a little different. It will be coming in two colors. It will be coming in the blue color and the silver color and weighing around 155 grams. In the box you will also get a fast charger. There will be a Type-C connector. So here you can see the this is a fast charger, and the battery is 3300 milliampere battery with the boost master technology, what Asus is claiming to charge fast. It is not working on Qualcomm. This is the in-ear earphones. It has a 3.5 mm jack, so you don't have to worry for that. Here is the Type-C cable for fast charging. Definitely it helps. And also the earbuds, you can try different earbuds according to your ear size. Now coming to the part where what we have in the box. Now let's check the device. The device looks pretty good. It is coming with a 6.2-inch display. It has a 90% screen body ratio, and it has a 19:9 aspect ratio, which is very different. Here you can see the volume button, the power key, and on the side you can see there is a camera which is 12 and 8 megapixel camera setup with LED flash. It doesn't have a too much bump. There is a fingerprint sensor. It have a glass body with Corning Gorilla Glass. It comes with the dual SIM card support, which is a hybrid SIM card slot, and it has total two mics. This is the Zenfone 5. The Zenfone 5Z, which is coming, will be having three mics. Here you can see the Type-C charging slot and the 3.5 mm jack. It has a notch on the top. It comes with the 8 megapixel camera in the front, and this is the FHD plus display, IPS display. So coming to the other things, it comes with a face unlock feature, which we will talk later. Going to the camera setting, the camera, it can shoot up to 4K with the USD. It has a 4-axis image stabilization for images, and it has a 3-axis stabilization with EIS. So it has a OIS for photos and EIS for videos. And the picture we have taken, it came out well. This is not a retail unit, so there will be a much better experience with the final retail unit. It comes with a wide angle mode, which gives you around 120-degree wide angle. The camera is Sony IMX sensor, which is IMX 363, and it has a 12 megapixel with 120-degree. The second, which is 8 megapixel. The front camera is 8 megapixel camera, and it can take the selfies. It has a f of 1.8 in the back, and in the front it has f2.0. And Asus is claiming that it will take a good picture in the low light condition. As far as the concern, it also comes with the Zen UI 5.0. It comes with the AI integrated. So what the AI does in this, the AI will give you the ringatone will be silent when it is a noisy place, and also it will be switched on when you are continuously watching on the screen. It comes with the quad-core processor 636. It has a 4GB 64GB RAM. There will be also 6GB variant with 64GB, 3300 milliampere battery, what I have already told, and it has a clone apping, so you can run the dual clone apps in this. The battery is 3300 milliampere battery. And as far as the security is concerned, here you can see there is a face recognition, so face unlock is there, and also the face unlock will help you to view the hidden content. So this is something new feature. And in advance you can see there are a few more things with the Zen UI. You can play around kids mode, other modes. So I haven't tested that. This is the first impression of the device, so we will be skipping out, but the device looks good. It weighs only 155 gram. You can also store raw files while taking the images, Now coming to the other part, there is one more variant which is Zenfone 5Z. So Zenfone 5Z will be coming with the Snapdragon 845. So this is the bigger chipset, the flagship chipset which has been waiting. It will be coming with the 8 GB of RAM, 8 GB of RAM, and will be coming with the 256 GB internal storage and maybe 128 GB. We don't know about it right now. But as far as the device is concerned, it looks pretty good, impressive. It is light in weight. It has a fingerprint touch. It comes with a 3.5mm jack, and I don't think this will be a pricey device. This looks very much premium in segment, and we doesn't have any device right now with the 19:9 ratio. So this is all about Zenfone 5. This is at the rate I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe.